Maybe waiting isn't good enough.
Kyrie, I love you, baby.
Sora, I hate you.
Flurry of the dancing pencils. Wag.
Miss Roxas. Ha ha ha.
Dance, water, dance. ... Shoot. I hate you, Axel.
OMG. Demix, Rico, you are so cute.
Thanks? I practiced so hard.
Aber hier wieder. Don't. No, you're not.
Joy to the world, my dog just died. Love, love, and love to me. He ate my cat, my Mario, then ate my favorite cereal. Heaven let him in, please heaven let him in, please heaven let him in. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend. Tell that to Larxen.
Tell what to Larxen? Nothing.
You make a good other. What? Well, I love Demix.
Ew, but Demix is an idiot.
No, I'm not. You're just jealous. I have a boyfriend like Axel. And trust her.
Ew, I'm leaving. And chest hair?